Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a quiz on antonyms. Let's begin. Question 1. The student was diligent, not dash. What is the antonym of the word diligent? The correct option is C. Lazy. The student was diligent, not lazy. Question 2. The meeting started early, not dash. The correct option is B. Late. The meeting started early, not late. Question 3. The worker finished the job quickly, not dash. The correct option is A. Slowly. The worker finished the job quickly, not slowly. Question 4. The project was successful, not dash. The correct option is A. Unsuccessful. Question 5. He remained focused, not dash. The correct option is D. Distracted. He remained focused, not distracted. Question 6. The teacher praised her punctual arrival, not her dash habit. The correct option is C. Tardy. The teacher praised her punctual arrival, not her tardy habit. Question 7. The scientist worked in a tidy lab, not in a dash one. The correct option is B. Messy. The scientist worked in a tidy lab, not a messy one. Question 8. The team's report was accurate, not dash. The correct option is C. Inaccurate. Question 9. The company offered permanent jobs, not dash contracts. The correct option is D. Temporary. The company offered permanent jobs, not temporary contracts. Question 10. The classroom was quiet, not dash. The correct option is A. Noisy. The classroom was quiet, not noisy. Question 11. His essay was original, not dash. The correct option is B. Copied. His essay was original, not copied. Question 12. The report was detailed, not dash. The correct option is C. Brief. The report was detailed, not brief. Question 13. The student was obedient, not dash. The correct option is A. Defiant. The student was obedient, not defiant. Question 14. The library remained open, not dash. The correct option is C. Closed. The library remained open, not closed. Question 15. The teacher encouraged active learning, not dash participation. The correct option is D. Passive. The teacher encouraged active learning, not passive participation. Question 16. The presentation looked professional, not dash. The correct option is A. Careless. The presentation looked professional, not careless. Question 17. The instructions were clear, not dash. The correct option is C. Confusing. The instructions were clear, not confusing. Question 18. The office remained busy, not dash. The correct option is B. Idle. The office remained busy, not idle. Question 19. The student's answer was correct, not dash. The correct option is A. Wrong. The student's answer was correct, not wrong. Question 20. The task was complicated, not dash. The correct option is D. Simple. The task was complicated, not simple. Question 21. He was a confident speaker, not a dash one. The correct option is C. Nervous. He was a confident speaker, not a nervous one. Question 22. The group showed discipline, not dash. The correct option is B. Disorder. The group showed discipline, not disorder. Question 23. The result was positive, not dash. The correct option is D, negative. The result was positive, not negative. Question 25. The manager's attitude was fair, not dash. The correct option is C, unjust. Question 25. The exam question was easy, not dash. The correct option is A, difficult. The exam question was easy, not difficult. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.